In the last 5 years, I had the opportunity to evaluate and work with more than 400 high quality startups. This is something I enjoyed doing while working with one of the best angel investor networks in the world, and also while working for a large corporate house in India. I also took every opportunity to work with the startups, to learn from them and to understand how they go about solving critical challenges and in the process creating significant value for all the stakeholders. This also made me curious about how do venture capitalists go about investing in these early stage ventures, that is startups. I came across this very interesting research by Dr. Jeff Smart, who is a renowned psychologist, and he has analyzed how VCs make their investment decisions over a long period of time. He came to a very interesting conclusion, and depending on the investment style, he has classified these VCs, that is venture capitalists, into 7 different types. These categories can be also applicable to people who invest in listed entities, that is invest in companies through stock market. So today we will talk about these different types of investors and how they make their investment decisions, and we will also look at data which explains which type of investor makes the best returns and why. Art critics. These are the type of investors. They evaluate entrepreneurs and startups just like an art collector will evaluate art. They make their decisions based on intuition and very quickly. Like an art collector may like an art painting in a second, or he may not like it. That is the approach these people take. They might not look into data, facts, they might not have a process, but just like an art collector, they will make their decisions in a snap, and they will go ahead with their intuition. Sponges. Dr. Jeff Smart talks about this typical type of investors who are so much into soaking information, just like a sponge soaks water. These investors will try to gather as much information possible, not necessarily in a very systematic fashion. They will look at that information, and then based on that information, they will make an investment decision based on their gut feel. Dr. Smart says one such investor calls himself like mucking around to gather such information. There is no system or there is no process, but still they want to gather as much information so that they get some comfort around making that decision. Prosecutors. These type of investors are like lawyers in the court. They will ask so many questions to the entrepreneurs that it will be just like an interrogation. They will ask questions around hypothetical situations. They will ask difficult and tough questions, challenging questions, just like a lawyer will be asking questions to people in the court. Suitors. These are the type of investors who are more interested in wooing people rather than evaluating them. They spend a lot of time trying to impress the startup team and the management rather than critically assessing and evaluating them. These are more people persons rather than hardcore numbers driven investors. Terminators. They think that this whole process of evaluating a startup and the team is quite futile. They make their investment decisions based on their gut feel and their own beliefs, and they think that if they believe that the management is not good enough, they would just try to fire the management and try to run the business with other set of people. Infiltrators. These are the type of investors, they will almost become a part of a startup management team, the quasi members of this team. They will spend weeks and months to understand the business along with the management. They would also go and visit customers of the startup along with the management to understand the business and the environment and the landscape better, and accordingly they will make their investment decision. Airline captains. They are extremely methodical and systematic, process driven. Like airline pilots have a pre-flight checklist, these people have their checklists, and they will keep on improving this process and the checklist as they go across different sets of investments. They will make their investment decisions based on data and facts and process rather than just intuition. So we spoke about 7 types of VCs/investors and how they go about making investment decisions in the early stage ventures, that is startups. You must be curious to know which of these investment style gives the best return. And it would be interesting if you could think about what is your preferred investment style. Would love to know more about it. Based on some detailed research by Dr. Jeff Smart, who actually did this phenomenal work, he found out that the people who follow the airline captain approach, people who are methodical, process driven, data driven, they do far better compared to other types of investors. In fact, in his research paper, he goes on saying that based on the limited data at his disposal, he believes that airline captains were able to make or generate far higher IRR, up to 80%, compared to much better compared to other investment styles. But he also mentions that hardly 13% investors take up this airline captain's approach. Interesting and fascinating analysis, isn't it? Thank you.